Goes into that kneading machine or kneader, and you get the clay which is like this. Now these are the wheels potters still use. He takes the first lump of clay. He's gonna make a jug for you. He first puts the first lump of clay to create the bottom of the future jar. He has to maintain his fingers wet always. Then he's making the bottom now by making a hole, opening the whole item, creating the bottom of the future jar, and then raising gradually the walls. The metal controls the speed, less or more. He's showing at the same time how you can make different shapes. Πολύ ωραία και φαίνεται εύκολο, αλλά δεν είναι. Mr. Nichols, what he's saying, that that's the only way, this is how it was done even years ago. Even Minoans, they had a wheel, so they would make the excellent pieces of art, clay vessels, with a ceramic wheel. He's gonna do the decoration now, I suppose. He has been doing this for more than 35 years, I think. Now that it's still wet, the clay, he's doing the decoration. Usually it's a simple geometric patterns or spirals. The spout, and later on, after a while, after an hour, he will add a little handle. So that would be a jug for water, for wine.
Yes, I hear you.
Δουλεύω τώρα 55 χρόνια.
He said no 35, 55 years.
Δίπλα θα πάτε να δείτε τα πιδάρια.
And now his son, his name is Nikos, his son George, Yorgos, is still working here. He's making the big jars that we're gonna see, shipping to the US.